Hi Aquarius, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing fine. So today's reading, this is going to be your love reading update for I'm not going to assign any time frame to it. Whenever you see the title and you feel like it will resonate with you, you can watch this reading. Okay, so let us get started by tapping onto your person's energy first. So let me ask these spirit guides to bless my intuition so that I can forward the message from our angels to you, my Aquarian friends. What is the message for my Aquarian friends regarding their love interest who are in their mind right now? Okay. So, what is the message? What is the energy related to my Aquarian friends' love interest, please? How are they feeling and thinking right now? Thank you very much. Okay, so this is your person's energy right now. All right, Aquarius. Page of Wands, they are feeling very passionate. Probably they are birthing some new ideas, some new interests. Probably they saw you, and the moment they saw you for the first time, they were mesmerized towards you. And right now, they are all attracted. This is the energy of somebody being highly attracted towards you. Probably right now, they haven't thought very deeply about the connection because every connection has certain phases which they are in. So it seems like this is a very beginning part of your connection. Okay, right now you two have very recently met is the vibe that I'm getting. And right now they saw your face. There was something in your in your facial structure. There was something about, probably there was something about your lips, your eyes, your figure, or something. They saw you. Basically they are seeing you right now is the sense that I'm getting, and there is nothing wrong with that, because at first we see people, right? Then we start falling for them. So right now your person's energy is that they are very attracted towards you. Look at this man looking at this wand. Okay, so they are looking at you and they're like, this person has potential to be my partner. That is the mindset that they are in right now. There's nothing wrong with that. Probably this person also wants to write the message of love to you. Pages are also messengers. Probably they are thinking about having this communication with you, and they want to start off with some subtle approach like a text or something. But definitely right now your person is eyeing on you. They are finding you beautiful. Page of Wands, which means attraction. Wands means attraction as well. Okay, they are finding you attractive. They are finding you quite charming. They look at you, and for some reason I'm getting this vision like a man very fondly looking at a woman who's speaking, who doesn't even know that she's being observed. Or the gender could go vice versa. Okay, probably there is a lady who simply wants to look at you when you're talking. You talk in a very confident manner or in a very cheerful manner. You walk here and there. You have a large circle of friends. If it is a workplace scenario, your relation with your colleagues is very sweet and very unique kind of, because you can connect to everybody around you, and they see that and they are charmed by your beauty inside and outside is the sense that I'm getting. Okay, what else? Ooh, they feel like you two are soulmates. This person feels like there cannot be anybody else who can be as compatible a partner as my Aquarius for me. That is what your person is thinking. Two of Cups. Soulmate kind of energy. The couple who are friends as well as romantic partners. Yeah, to some extent I feel like this person is charmed by your friendliness, by your warmth which you extend to other people. That was the vision which I got when I got this card. Okay, so yeah, this person really dreams of having such blessed partnership, romantic partnership with you, which also has the element of friendship in it. And the mutualness. Yes, two of cups also means mutualness, because both are offering their cups the world. So it could be that your person is at distance right now. Maybe this is a long distance connection which you are building, probably over social media. You two have connected recently, and this person is finding you. Yes, they are finding your DP is what I'm getting, display picture which you have, the profile picture which you have. They are looking at that and they are finding you very mesmerizing. they're liking what they're seeing. Basically, it seems like this person is stalking your social media as well. They are checking out all your pictures. They are trying to figure out who all your friends are. What do you do in your general life by looking at the pictures in Instagram or Facebook or somewhere. This person is you know trying to get as much as they can about you from the social media. Okay, they are very charmed, but at the same time, this person, because this person is at distance, yes, this anxiety, which is represented by Nine of Swords, is related to distance, because these two came together. Because this person is not there right now with you, this person feels like, what if, because of the geographical distance that we are in, my Aquarius moves on from me. They're scared that you are viewing this connection only as yet another over the internet connection, which just fades out very easily. Okay, they don't want you to see this connection like that. They want you to invest in it. Look at this. They want you to invest in this connection because they are invested. They are losing their sleep for some reason, because they don't want you to take it lightly. Just because you two are at distance, they don't want you to take it lightly. They want you to be as invested as them. And as per the cards, it seems like this person is really very much invested on you, Aquarius. Okay, but if it is not the matter of geographical distance, then probably you two have never talked to each other. You two have just seen each other, and some sort of energetic connection was there, but it could never it hasn't yet moved on to the next level, the level of communication. And this person is thinking, just how do I do it? This person is anxious for some reason. This person could be intimidated by you. Let us see more. Or okay, because Judgment card is here, this person has like left all this in the hands of the destiny, so it means that the obstacle has to be a greater one. So now I'll have to clarify Nine of Swords in that case. Why is the Nine of Swords card here? Spirit guides, excuse me a little bit, I'm so sorry. Okay, why is Nine of Swords card over here, please? Could you please tell us why Nine of Swords is here, Spirit guides and angels? Why is Nine of Swords here? What is the anxiety about? What is this obstacle which is there in this connection? So this is the clarifier card for Nine of Swords. Ooh. Insecurity. That was what I was getting when I got this card of Nine of Swords at the beginning as well. So Five of Pentacles, the feeling of being left out in the cold. It seems like this person has been broken in the past. Somebody had badly deceived them in the past. Because of that reason, this person, yeah, okay, I just heard this person's belief right now regarding love. When they think of love, they think of somebody walking away after being in a connection. Okay, their general notion about love is that love is pain. Love yields pain because the partner ultimately goes away. Probably something as such had happened in this person's past, which has led this person to think like this. Okay, what else? Yes, Page of Cups. Earlier they had invested on someone, but this somebody walked away from them. Immature. This person whom they were dealing with was immature. They were not very much invested, because pages are flighty energies. Whomever they had been dealing with in the past, their ex basically, was not looking for anything long term. Probably they had some hidden agendas with them, and they came forward, they had this relationship, and then they left. Okay, and that is why this person now also, when they are trying to start off something new with you, they are a little bit scared and anxious about that. So they are calling in the help of universal energies in order to show the correct path to them. Probably Aquarius, your person, because of the past experience, past failure in love connection of theirs, they feel like they cannot trust you very easily. Okay, so how are you feeling right now? Let us see, how are you feeling in this connection? this problem this, sorry, I said problem, this person has trust issues. Okay, that is their problem. Okay, so what is your energy? I want to tap onto your energy. How are you feeling in this connection then? Okay, the Hanged Man. You are thinking of things from the newer perspective. Probably you are trying to, you know, yeah, because all these things were not revealed to you. You felt like this person was mysterious. You felt like you could not read their minds. For many of you, I don't think that this is only emotional distance. This has to be geographical distance, Aquarius, is the sense that I'm getting. And because this person is so much at distance, and because they are not articulating their feelings and emotions so openly, you are getting some sort of sneaky vibe from this person. But apparently from the cards, it seems like this is just a simple normal person who's scared to fall in love. Okay, there's nothing wrong with this person is what we are getting. But right now, until the time you had watched this reading, you were in this feeling that I don't exactly know how this person is. Probably there was a phase when you were like totally attracted and mesmerized by this person as well. You saw their pictures and you know learned about them a little, and you felt like, I like this person, this is my type. And probably some of you had conversation as well, okay, in a friendly manner, just the connection over internet. At that level you had done some communication with this person, but then at that time you were not getting any kind of strange vibe. But right now, recently, you are having this hangman perspective, which is making you think, which is making you question whether this energy is good for you or not. You are getting some sneaky vibes because this person is not expressing much, but actually the reality is that this person has gone through some trauma in the past, because of which he or she is not being able to express. What else is in your energy? Nine of Cups. You want this person to move forward and to express. You want this person to come towards you and to be expressive about their feelings. Basically, you want them to be vulnerable. They want, now see the contradiction here over here. Both are number 9, right? 9 means one step away from something, while this person is has just one sword less when it comes to their fears. You just have you're in your desire, one cup less. You are thinking like, it's okay, don't give me everything, but at least I deserve something. At least move forward, at least tell me how much you like me, at least tell me what are all the qualities that you are finding good in me, what you are adoring. Tell me about the things which you don't like as well. I'm ready to take that, but at least say something. That is your energy, Aquarius. This person is not expressive. So because this person is not expressing much, you are actually feeling quite distant from this person, and now you are getting this sneaky vibe from this person. It is coming out of nowhere. You are having to process your thoughts and rethink about this person once again, because this person is not expressing much. But the cards are showing that this person is very much attracted towards you. This person is thinking about you. This person is worried that you'll move away, but still they are not being able to express because of something that happened in their past. So what is the advice in such situation for my Aquarian friends? What is the advice, please, in this love scenario? What is the advice? The distance might not literally be geographical, okay, but for many of you I'm feeling like it is the geographical. Yes. What is the outcome and advice? The Fool. Basically, you'll take a leap of faith in this connection, and this person will as well. Queen of Swords. But remain truthful as you have been. Keep on expressing your feelings, and look at this is your soulmate. That is what the spirit guides are telling. One more. Yes, but right now it seems like if this person is literally, far away from you, then this person is there for a reason, for work. Okay, this person is in some other state or some other country than yours, because they are working, they are earning money, they are earning pentacles. But then, no matter how much gap is there between you two are soulmates. This could be a twin flame situation as well, and you two will ultimately take that leap of faith. But then the truth will have to come out first. Truth means, you two should be able to speak your heart out. Right now you are holding back because this person is not being expressive, and you are now questioning this person's character. And this person is not speaking because they have certain things to heal inside them. Okay, so once you both will have, this person will have healed properly, and once he or she will be able to speak, then you will also be able to open up. But no matter what is in the outcome, your lover, your romantic, your best possible romantic partner is ahead of you. You know, they want to approach you, they'll come, they'll take that leap of faith with you. So that is the message for you, Aquarius. So if it helps and resonates, please support me with a subscription, because that means a world to me. Thank you so much for your time. I love you all so much. See you again. Bye.